Hi, my name is Jovinia. Today we are going to talk about interaction among living things. What is interaction among living things? Interaction among living things is a relationship among living things that depend on each other. So there are two types of interaction among living things that are interaction among animals and interaction among plants. So today we are going to learn about interaction among animals. Now, there are three types of interaction among animals that are prey predator, competition, and symbiosis. Prey predator. A predator is an animal that hunts other animal for food. The animal being hunted or eaten by the predator is the prey. For example, I put tiger and the deer. The tiger attacks the deer, so the tiger is the predator and the deer is the prey. Other examples are eagle and snake, and then chicken and the worm. So the snake eaten by the eagle and the worm eaten by the chicken. So the snake is the prey, eagle is the predator, worm is the prey, and the chicken is the predator. Secondly, we see the competition. Fighting among same types of animal is known as intraspecies. For examples, there are hyenas. All the hyenas are compete for the food. Examples of intraspecies are hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are fighting for their territory. Interspecies. For example, zebra and nurse. They they all are the different types of animals. They all are fighting for the water. Example of interspecies are seagull and oyster catcher. They too are fighting for their territory. Food, water, shelter, territory, and mate. Interspecies competition occurs when the sources of food, water, shelter, or territory are limited. The last is symbiosis. There are three types of symbiosis that are mutualism, parasitism, and commensalism. First of all, we see the mutualism. Mutualism is an interaction that benefit both organisms. For example, crocodile and the bird. When the crocodile opens its mouth to allow the bird to come and feed on the food stuck between the crocodile's teeth. At the same time, the crocodile's teeth are being cleaned and the birds are full. Examples of mutualism are clownfish and sea anemone. The clownfish hides between the tentacles of the sea anemone. The anemone's sting protects the clownfish from being eaten by its predator. At the same time, the clownfish chases away the sea anemone's predators, such as the butterfly fish. Secondly, we see the parasitism. Parasitism is an interaction that benefit one organism and harm the other. For example, the dog and the tick. Ticks suck the blood of their host, such as this dog. The dog will feel itchy and lose its blood. Examples of parasitism are human and the mosquito. When the mosquito bite the human, the human will feel itchy. So the mosquito have the benefit and the human is the harm. Lastly, we see the commensalism. Commensalism is an interaction that benefit one organism but does not harm nor benefit the other. For example, there are crab and barnacles. Barnacles get free transport when they grow on the shell of crab. Protection and food scrap from the mouth of sharks. When the shark eat the small fish, all the leftover is that food scrap. The remoral fish will eat the leftover food all. We almost to the end. Did you know the male emperor Penguin keeps the female egg warm on its feet until it hatches.